Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses much of the eastern half of Washington State, much of Oregon, and western Idaho. Cities in today's slate include Spokane, Washington, Yakima, Washington, Boise, Idaho, Bend, Oregon, and Kennewick, Washington. There are two marginals today, one covering a strip of central and far northeastern Washington State, central and southern Oregon, northeastern Nevada, parts of Idaho, and northwestern Montana. The second marginal today covers central Colorado. Cities in today's marginals include Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, and Fort Collins, Colorado. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses central and north central Oregon, southeastern Washington State, and northwestern Idaho. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Bend, Oregon, Kennewick, Washington, Richland, Washington, Pasco, Washington, and Lewiston, Idaho. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses much of the eastern half of Washington State, much of Oregon, and western Idaho. The 15% wind risk area today includes Spokane, Washington, Yakima, Washington, Boise, Idaho, Bend, Oregon, and Kennewick, Washington. And there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering central and far northeastern Washington State, central and southern Oregon, north central Nevada, parts of Idaho, and northwestern Montana. The 5% wind risk area for today include Post Falls, Idaho, Altamont, Oregon, Klamath Falls, Oregon, Hayden, Idaho, and Sandpoint, Idaho. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Wind Intensity Index. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher, okay? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today, alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Cities in the black dashed area today include Spokane, Washington, Yakima, Washington, Boise, Idaho, Kennewick, Washington, and Meridian, Idaho. And now for the hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today covering central and north central Oregon, southeastern Washington State, and a little bit of northwestern Idaho. The 15% hail risk area today includes Bend, Oregon, Kennewick, Washington, Richland, Washington, Pasco, Washington, and Lewiston, Idaho. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, one covering much of Washington State, parts of Oregon, parts of Idaho, and northwestern Montana. The second 5% hail risk today covers central Colorado. The 5% hail risk areas today include Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Spokane, Washington, and Lakewood, Colorado. In summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible over western Idaho and east of the Cascades in Washington and Oregon. Severe gusts 60 to 85 miles per hour, large hail, and perhaps a tornado are the forecast hazards this afternoon through the late evening. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe and infect areas today. whether you're in the slight or the marginal chance, you never know what slight and marginal can pull off sometimes. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.